Woodworking is a timeless craft that combines creativity, skill, and practicality. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting, there are countless projects you can undertake that not only enhance your home decor but also have the potential to generate profit. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of random wood crafts and woodworking project ideas you can consider making for profit or home decor you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The beauty of woodworking lies in its versatility. You can create functional items, artistic pieces, or decorative accents, all from the same medium. Here are some random wood crafts and woodworking project ideas that can inspire you to pick up your tools and get started. One popular project idea is creating custom wooden signs. These can be personalized for homes, businesses, or special occasions. With a variety of wood types available, you can choose a rustic look with reclaimed wood or a more polished appearance with hardwoods. Using techniques like wood burning or painting, you can add names, quotes, or designs that resonate with your clients or your own taste. Custom signs are always in demand for weddings, anniversaries, and home decor, making them a profitable venture. Another idea is crafting wooden furniture. Items such as coffee tables, side tables, or benches can be made from high-quality hardwoods and can be sold at a premium price. You can experiment with different styles, such as farmhouse, modern, or industrial, to attract various customers. Additionally, furniture pieces can often be customized to fit specific dimensions or styles requested by clients. This not only allows for creativity but also caters to the unique needs of your market. Wooden toys are another excellent project that appeals to both children and parents alike. Simple toys like building blocks, puzzles, or cars can be made from non-toxic materials and finished with child-safe paints or oils. These toys are not only fun but also promote imaginative play and fine motor skills. Selling handmade wooden toys at craft fairs or online platforms can yield a good profit while providing parents with safe alternatives to plastic toys. For those who enjoy gardening, creating wooden planters or raised garden beds is a fantastic project. These items can be made in various sizes and styles, accommodating different plants and gardening preferences. You can also consider adding trellises or vertical garden designs to maximize space for urban gardeners. With the rising trend in home gardening, these products are highly sought after and can be marketed effectively. If you have an eye for detail, consider making intricate wooden jewelry boxes. These boxes can be designed with compartments for rings, necklaces, and other small items. Using contrasting woods or incorporating inlays can elevate the aesthetic appeal of the boxes. Personalization options such as engraving names or initials can further increase their desirability as gifts for special occasions like weddings or graduations. Another interesting project could be crafting wooden kitchenware such as cutting boards, serving trays, or utensil holders. High-quality wooden kitchen items are always in demand due to their durability and aesthetic appeal. You can experiment with different wood types and finishes to create unique products that stand out in the market. Additionally, offering personalized engraving on these items can add a special touch that customers appreciate. Wall art made from wood is an increasingly popular trend in home decor. You can create geometric designs, abstract shapes, or even nature-inspired pieces using various wood scraps and techniques like layering or painting. These art pieces can serve as focal points in living rooms or offices and can be marketed through social media platforms where home decor enthusiasts gather. The beauty of wood art is that it appeals to a wide audience and allows for immense creative freedom. For those looking for functional yet stylish items, consider making coat racks or key holders. These projects require minimal materials but can be designed in numerous ways to match different home aesthetics. Adding hooks made from reclaimed materials can give these pieces a unique twist while promoting sustainability. These small projects are easy to sell at local markets or online shops. Creating wooden coasters is another simple yet profitable idea. You can use leftover wood scraps to make sets of coasters that feature unique designs or personalized engravings. Coasters are practical items that everyone needs, making them perfect for gifting or home use. By experimenting with different shapes and finishes, you can create a product line that appeals to various tastes. If you have access to larger woodworking tools, consider building outdoor furniture such as picnic tables or Adirondack chairs. These items not only enhance outdoor spaces, but also provide comfort for gatherings with family and friends. Using weather-resistant finishes will ensure that your furniture lasts through various seasons, making them a worthwhile investment for customers. Another creative woodworking project is making birdhouses or feeders. These items not only attract wildlife, but also add charm to gardens and yards. You can design them in various styles, from whimsical to modern, and offer customization options for sizes and colors. Birdhouses and feeders are particularly appealing to nature enthusiasts and families looking to engage children with outdoor activities. For a more artistic approach, consider creating wooden sculptures or decorative pieces. This could involve carving intricate designs or assembling various wood pieces into a cohesive art piece. While this may require more advanced skills, the uniqueness of handcrafted sculptures can command higher prices in galleries or craft shows. Wooden picture frames are another classic project that combines functionality with aesthetics. You can create frames in various sizes and styles, allowing customers to showcase their favorite memories in beautiful ways. Adding embellishments like carvings or painted designs can make your frames stand out even more. Personalized frames for weddings or special events could also be marketed effectively. If you have access to quality wood and tools, crafting wooden bicycles or scooters can be an exciting challenge. These projects may require more advanced skills, but could yield impressive results that attract attention at craft shows or online marketplaces. The combination of functionality and artistry makes wooden vehicles a unique niche in the woodworking world. Wooden candle holders are another simple yet elegant project idea. You can create holders for tea lights, pillar candles, or taper candles using various wood types and finishes. Adding unique designs or incorporating natural elements like stones or crystals can enhance their appeal. Candle holders make great gifts and home decor items that customers often seek out. For pet lovers, consider making custom pet furniture such as dog beds or cat trees. Using durable materials and thoughtful designs will ensure that these items are both practical and stylish. Many pet owners are willing to invest in high-quality furniture that complements their home decor while providing comfort for their furry friends. Another engaging project could be creating wooden games like chessboards or tic-tac-toe sets. These games not only offer entertainment, but also serve as beautiful decorative pieces when not in use. By using contrasting woods for the playing surfaces and pieces, you can create visually striking products that appeal to both gamers and collectors alike. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.